They gave up already. They gave up already. See that? You see that?
Yeah. It'd be funny if nobody does shit. It would be there all day.
Okay, okay. Jesus, man. Right there, that's hold on, buddy. You didn't hit my nuts. It's the inner thigh. Calm down. Calm down. Jesus. No. It's not like this. I can't run. Good job, Christian. Good job. Good job, Christian. Good job. Keep it up. Come to your side. Go, Chris. Get in there. There you go, Christian. Good position.
6-0 abs.
I haven't played that much.
Christian, good job. Good positioning. Way to move your feet, okay? Who's going out on D? No. Jump on him, jump on him.
I don't know why I jumped.
Keep your stick out. Hey, stick. Don't jump, stick. Side. You need to get your pads. Good, Joe. Good, Joe. Oh, Joey. Play cross. Kick it. Come on, Vinny, get on him. Come on, Vinny. Go, Vinny, go. Pressure, Vinny, pressure him. Good, Joe. Good. What a slasher, dude.
Now they're slashing.
Where's the rest of the line, too? Right here.
I'm good. Come on, Christian. Come on, you faster, Chris.
Head up, Chris.
Watch your point. There you go. Way to play smart, Fitz. You don't deep in until you got this guy in the back, then you deep in. Stay right here. Hey, Fitz. All right. Go. Let's go. Go Adam, go Adam! Coming to you, Adam!
Did you hear him?
Go, Josh. Good, Adam, good. Good job, Adam. Work. Good job, Chris. Get it down back in, Chris. Dump it back in that corner. Take a spot, Adam. Work.
Nice job, Christian.
Shoot. Work.
clear up.
Go. Wiener. There you go. Good job. Good job. Let it hustle in there. Drink up. Now you guys get on your sides on D now. Head up, look. Oh no. Gotta get in front of him, Vince.
I can't move.
Pass it!
Vince, up forward, not back to him. Good. Go, guys! Move!
Gotta move. Right there.
Gotta move! Still 5 minutes left, you got to move! Go, Joe! Shoot, Cal!
Hey. Nice heel on. I have an assistant.
Who's going to Coach.
Tinny!
Yeah, right head's wrong.
Alright?
Yeah, it's just it's like stinging.
I see it.
Why does it say the Kings have 1 goal? They didn't even score yet.
They're playing scrappy because they can't play. Most of the units are there. Because they want to see the big goals.
I don't care if I have to go in there and bitch about it. I'm never gonna give it a bitch about it.
They shouldn't have a goal.
They didn't even get a goal.
They shouldn't be allowed to use the box anymore.
We have 6, right?
Josh! Get a winger. Let him. Josh! You good? He's good.
Hey, you alright?
You gotta get it down, Josh, and work!
Use my hands, those are cold. Use my hands.
Get up, go! Get it up now!
What?
Got that.
Let's go, buddy! Alright, I'm ready. My jaw hurts, but I'm ready. Stop talking.
First off, I was so through I was like, good, and he's like, no.
What is it?
I know, he's just like, I'm done, I give up. Go, Josh! Play it close, Josh! Keep it in, Joe.
Go, work!
Even!
Shoot! Dump it, Grace!
Get the sticker out there.
Good cycle! Yeah, Joe, recover back, Joe!
Good recovery, guys. Get in there. There you go. Good job.
One back, go!
Go over.
Come on, go!
Alright, guys, if you look at these passes. Yeah, you need you guys.
Go, Adam. Go, work, Adam, work. Go, Chris, let's go. Go, Cal, go.
Oh, and take off.
No, coach, it just says 0-0.
Come on, Christian. Keep on working, okay? Adam, you guys keep on working out there. This is preparation for the next game.
Yeah, come here. Step up to it. Again. Kick it if you have to. Drive.
Go Fitz, go at him! Go at him, you're faster! Good job, I don't do that.
Clear up, boys.
Get ready, baby.
This right here. There's a hole in there.
There's a hole.
I'm gonna have to center all the way. Come on, let him work.
Let's go, work, guys! Go, Avalanche!
Go!
Go, Fitz! Go to net! Shoot, Fitz! Good pass.
7-0.
Good job, Joe.
Good job, Fitzgerald! Good job! Good hustle!
Oh, wait, we didn't score.
Did you see that hustle for show? Yep, kept that in play, man. That's what we got to do.
Sorry, coach.
Should be a running clock now.
It is.
It was already running clock.
Back up, coach.
Good job, Chris. Good job.
Let's go.
Keep on working, guys.
Joe, watch boards.
Joe, board time.
Board, Joe.
Help him up, Christian. Help him, Christian. Wow, that guy just kick him.
Let's go.
Let's go. Go.
You got Fitz.
You got Fitz. Good job.
And as the referee gave his final words, and the Avalanche is going to the finals. Just 2 wins down before they can take it. Whatever. I don't know. But the Avalanche are going into the finals. Great job, team.